to a review of the Good Bean chickpeas, and this is a specific type of flavor, Sweet Sriracha, and it's actually pretty good, to be frank with you. It's not too strong, it's not flavored too strongly like most products and snacks are. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ingredients here. Looks like roasted chickpeas, safflower oil, sugar, hot sauce. I mean, there's a variety of different basically ingredients, and tocopherols. We went over that last time with the vitamin E, so just be aware of that. It's not unhealthy, but if you're taking blood thinners, just be aware of it having that. And it's natural. It's just helping in terms of the product staying or lasting longer on shelves. So let's go ahead and take a look at the nutritional facts here. Bend this thing here with one hand. Quite difficult in doing that. Apologize. So let's take a look at no vitamin A, C, calcium. Fiber is about 11%, which you would be understanding because it is chickpeas. The calories about 168, 42 grams of fat. So a little higher, and that's probably due to the sugar and just different ingredients to add into this. Sodium about 133 milligrams, quite a bit of salt. Sugar 3 grams, decent, not too bad. 8 grams of protein. So 8 grams of protein because this is a pretty big bag here. And it comes all the way up to here in terms of the amount of chickpeas that you get. I do recommend this product. It is healthier than most snacks out there to consume. So, and it tastes great, and you do get a little crunchiness, and I mean, not very hard in terms of biting into it, which I've seen a lot of chickpeas. When you bite into it, it almost breaks your teeth, or you gotta crunch in really hard. These are pretty soft when chewing into them, and these are very nice to just snack on. So I highly recommend it. If you guys have tried the Good Bean, feel free to post it below. Press the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and follow and subscribe for other videos. I have reviewed a variety of other videos in terms of snacks and what's healthy and what's not good to consume. So check out those on the page and subscribe, and comment below if you have tried this product or other snacks that you feel are healthy to consume. Thank you.